Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If I say that I have 5 magic tricks which you can use anytime if you have any argument with anyone and you want to feel happy. So let's talk about it. Everyone wants to be happy, and the thing is that we have so much data about happiness, how to be happy. So I just wanted to share 5 tips with you which you can do instantly, which will make you instant happy. There are so many situations we get, so in those situations, to come out of them, we should definitely try these tricks. So to feel instant happy, we should definitely try these tricks. So let's see what are they. First is having a coffee. Having a cup of coffee can definitely calm your mind. It has some antioxidants, and a research has been done on this. And if you have a cup of coffee, then definitely you will feel happier, and you will feel happy and relaxed. Second one is go for a walk. We all know the importance of nature and greenery and everything for our health, and basically it affects our mind also in a positive way. So if you have any argument with anyone, which we never want, but it happens sometimes, so just go for a nature walk, and when you come back, you will see that definitely you have a calm mind, and you will be able to analyze the situation in a much calmer way. So it works like wonder. Next one is listening to sad songs. So sad songs, basically, yeah, you I know you'll be laughing at me that sad songs, who listens to sad songs? But yes, definitely, if you study about it, there has been a research done on this, that sad songs definitely gives us a calm mind, and it affects our mood in a very positive way, because it manages the whole thing, and the mood of that time, it manages that in a positive way, and it definitely helps. So just check out and take out the best sad song you have in your playlist and play it and listen to it, and you will feel very good. Yeah, that's a fact. Next one is we should always have a one sentence journal. I know that we don't have time to write, we don't have time to fill diaries. I understand that, but definitely you should have a one sentence journal. I know that we don't have that time that we can fill diaries, and I really respect if somebody writes a diary daily. It is a very good habit, but yes, most of us don't get time of that for that. So basically we can have one sentence journal. It basically helps in expressing what we are feeling, and the minute we write it, we feel much better. I always try this trick because I feel very good when I write those things with whatever I'm feeling that time, and I'm not feeling good or something has happened, so I just write it down and I feel so much calmer. And there is also a study which proves that if you write something which you don't like and you burn it after that, it definitely calms your mind. So definitely you should try this. It's a very good trick and it works. Next is spending money on our loved ones. Yeah, again, a study has been done on this. If we give gifts to others, and if we make them happy by any way, like, it's your choice how you want to make them happy. But yes, definitely if you spend money on them, then you feel good, and and your mind again calm down, and you feel very good. So these were the 5 simple tricks I wanted to talk about. Apart from this, again, I would say that if you have any argument with anyone, just at that time, don't try to prove yourself correct. Give it some time, and then maybe when you both come back, to the same situation, and maybe things will be better at that time, and you'll be more attentive to what other is speaking, and he or she will be more attentive to what you are saying, and that's what matters in a relationship. And it can be with anyone, with your colleague, with your husband, with your family members, anyone. So basically, these were the simple 5 tricks which I wanted to share with you, because I always try them and I feel very happy, basically, because we all are after happiness. And as I'll mention the one city, one country, Bhutan. You know that it's a fact that they are the most happy people on this planet. Yes. So, and they have less resources than other countries. So it shows that, you know, resources are not important, happiness is important, and happiness, the source of happiness is within us. And if we are healthy and we are doing meditation daily and we are, you know, having a positive attitude, we'll be definitely happy. And if sometimes some things go here and there, then you can try these tricks for sure. So please tell me, do comment in my comment section if you like, if you want to share something, or you want to share your trick which you try always. So I'll be definitely looking forward to that. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my video updates, regular video updates. So ciao.